Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share a very simple and beginner-friendly binary trading setup that is based purely on price action and candle timing. No complicated indicators, no confusion, just a clean and easy concept that even a beginner can easily understand. Friends, this strategy is specially designed for the 5-minute candle with 1-minute expiry, and in this video, I will show you exactly when to enter a trade, when to avoid trading, and why proper timing is the most important part of this setup. So, if you are someone who gets confused by too many indicators or enters trades at the wrong time, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. A small reminder before we start, this video is for educational purposes only. Binary trading involves risk, so always practice on a demo account first and manage your risk properly. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the strategy step by step. First, you have to select the 5-minute candle time frame on your chart. And remember, our trade expiry will always be 1 minute only. Now listen carefully. When a new 5-minute candle starts forming, we will not take any trade in the first 1 minute, and we will also not trade in the last 1 minute of that candle. These 2 minutes are risky because the market moves very fast and becomes unstable. So friends, we will only trade in the middle 3 minutes of the 5-minute candle. This is the safest and calmest zone for entry. After the first 1 minute is completed, observe the candle carefully. If the candle becomes firm green, then we will take a buy trade with 1 minute expiry. If the candle becomes firm red, then we will take a sell trade with 1 minute expiry. Very important rule. On one 5-minute candle, only one trade is allowed. No overtrading, no double entries. And remember, we only take the trade when the candle is clearly strong and stable, not when it is moving up and down very fast. Also, avoid big candle to trade. Always follow proper risk management and never trade emotionally. Now, I know keeping track of all these rules while trading can be tricky, especially if you are just starting out. That's why I have created a free step-by-step checklist PDF that breaks down every single rule of this strategy in a very simple format. You can download it right now from my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. You can keep it open on your phone or on a second screen while trading for easy reference. Now let me show you this strategy live on the chart with real examples so that you can understand it clearly and confidently. Here you can see we are inside a 5-minute candle, and the first 1 minute of the candle is already completed. Now the candle is clearly firm red, which means selling pressure is active. We are also inside the middle 3 minutes of the candle, so trading is allowed as per the rule. Trend direction is already downward, and the current candle is continuing in the same direction without strong rejection. So based on red candle confirmation, middle zone timing, and downtrend continuation, a 1-minute sell trade is placed at this point. After the sell entry, the price shows a small upward pullback, which is normal inside a running candle. No new trade is taken, and no direction is changed. After this short retracement, the price again resumes downward movement. The candle body starts expanding on the downside, showing that selling momentum is still active. At the end of the 1-minute expiry, the price closes below the entry point, so this sell trade finishes in a win. At this point, the market is already moving in a bearish sequence. The recent candles are forming lower tops and continued downward pressure. The active 5-minute candle has crossed its first minute, and the price is now settling on the downside instead of retracing strongly. There is no strong green rejection, only weak upward attempts, which shows sellers are still active. The entry is taken inside the allowed middle time zone of the candle, not at the start and not near the close. With bearish structure intact and selling pressure visible, a 1-minute sell trade is executed from this level. After the sell order is placed, the price stalls briefly near the entry, forming a short pause instead of an upward breakout. Attempts to push higher fail quickly, and the next movement again leans downward. Bearish candles begin to absorb the small pullbacks, and the market stays heavy on the sell side. No bullish pattern, no momentum shift, and no sudden reversal appears during the running expiry. The price continues pressing lower step by step, staying under the entry line for most of the trade duration. At the completion of the 1-minute expiry, the market settles below the execution level. The sell position closes in profit. So this is how this sell setup works step by step on a real chart with proper timing and candle confirmation. If you want to see more exact trade breakdowns like this, using the same clear rules and live examples, Make sure you subscribe to Sam Trading Strategy so you don't miss the upcoming videos. The full rule checklist is available on my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next trading video.